Hello, I'm Eric Gross, the co-founder of the Tech Academy. I'm glad you found us. We made this quick video to provide a rapid description of who we are. The Tech Academy is a technology school that specializes in coding boot camps. Coding boot camps are intensive training programs in computer programming, website development, and other technology specialties, including design, mobile app development, data science, game development, and more. The Tech Academy's coding boot camps can be studied online from anywhere in the world, or in person at one of our many campuses. Here is a basic explanation of our school. Our classes are very thorough, modern, and relevant. On our boot camps, you learn several in-demand programming languages and tech skills, which will result in you becoming a well-rounded entry-level technology worker. We don't pigeonhole you into only one or two specialties. The Tech Academy's educational approach provides graduates with a large skill set and thereby increases their potential job opportunities. The Tech Academy has hundreds of positive online reviews from students and graduates with an average 4.8-star review rating across major review websites. We're also the proud recipient of dozens of Best Coding Bootcamp awards. Some other code schools require that students pass a coding exam or study extra data before classes start, but with the Tech Academy, you don't need any past technology background or coding experience. Our programs can be studied by anyone and prepare even absolute beginners for junior-level tech positions. We offer hybrid training. What that means is that you can study from home, online, and come into one of our campuses to study in person if you choose. Most boot camps only offer one or the other. We mean it when we say learn coding anywhere. If you don't live near a campus, no problem. We have students all over the world doing their training online. Our instructors will help you through by reviewing your code, examining your tech projects, providing support, debugging, and giving assistance in person, over email, phone calls, video conferencing, and screen sharing. Since our beginnings in 2014, we have graduated hundreds of students that are now working in technology positions, with most graduates making an average pay rate of $60,000 a year. In addition to our boot camps, we have published several books, we offer an inexpensive subscription service with a library of online classes, and we deliver corporate training to companies. If you feel the Tech Academy is the school for you, you can enroll today, and I hope you do.